When Boeing began planning for their 787 Dreamliner around 20 years ago, they decided to skip shipping some of their 787 aircraft components by land and sea. It took too long, Boeing argued. Another issue was that many of the Dreamliner's parts would be too big for standard shipping containers. Boeing's 747-400 freighters and the bigger Antonov aircraft would also be too small to carry them. Boeing's solution was to convert some existing 747s to act as ferry aircraft. Dreamliner suppliers were located as far as Japan and Italy. They were built to transport Boeing's 787 parts from Dreamliner suppliers around the globe to Boeing's US factories. Boeing bought 4 747-400s. One came from Air China, another from Malaysian Airlines, and the other two came from China Airlines. The reconfigured aircraft had a bulging fuselage similar to the equally elusive Super Guppy. The reconfiguration was a joint venture between Boeing's Moscow outpost Rocketdyne and Spain's Gamesa Aeronautica. As the name suggests, the Dreamlifter was all about space. Its main cargo compartment had a volume of 1,840 cubic meters and its maximum payload capacity is well over 100,000 kilograms. The first Dreamlifter rolled out onto the tarmac in Taiwan in late 2006. The second aircraft made its first flight in early 2007. Both these aircraft began transporting Dreamliner parts later that year. The wings for the Dreamliner were manufactured in Japan. Overnight, shipping times dropped from a month to about 9 hours. By mid-2008, the third Dreamlifter began operating, and the fourth came into service by 2010. Cutting supply shipping times and the subsequent decrease in production times were the key factors that shaped the development of the Dreamlifter. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the other videos on the channel.